Good morning, everyone. My name is Jakemo, and joining me is Logan. In recent weeks, along with our team of analysts, we've dedicated our efforts into conducting a comprehensive investigation into two retail stocks in Australia, Premier Investments and KMD Brands. Today, we are thrilled to present our findings to you. We have some exciting information to share that you absolutely don't want to miss out on. As mentioned before, we are very fortunate to have the expertise of our analyst team members, Vetle, Alex, and Lincoln, who have diligently carried out an extensive review of the two companies.
Established in 1987, Premier Investments are the sole owner of the Just Group, which includes popular brands like Peter Alexander, Smiggles, Just Jeans, and more. Additionally, Premier Investments holds a 25.7% stake in the Breville Group and 22.8% in the Myer Holdings. In total, these holdings contribute to a substantial market cap of $3.98 billion. On the other hand, KMD Brands, founded in New Zealand, is a smaller company with a market cap of $736 million. However, its recent acquisition of Ritgel, along with its ownership of Oboz and of course Kathmandu, provides the company with a diverse portfolio.
So, Premier Investments was founded as an investment platform dedicated to maximizing capital returns for its shareholders. Their mission revolves around helping investors in all aspects of wealth accumulation, preservation, enjoyment, and distribution, with the ultimate aim of providing financial stability for their customers.
On the contrary, Kathmandu aims to produce high-quality equipment that allows people to be weather-ready to embark on travel and adventure. Moreover, they are dedicated to contributing to communities worldwide through their community investment strategy. The vision collates a range of brands that cater to global needs in outdoor, sports, and lifestyle demands.
KMD Brands possesses very compelling value drivers that make it an attractive investment opportunity. They are all of greater importance to your investment decisions and are ranked as follows. So recently, the Rip Curl acquisition positions KMD Brands for success by expanding the market presence and product portfolio, capitalizing on the growing demand for surfwear, especially domestically. With Rip Curl's brand, KMD Brands gains access to new markets and revenue streams, enhancing their outdoor and active lifestyle image.
KMD Brand's strong focus on sustainability makes it appealing to investors and modern customers. By prioritizing 100% sustainable materials and implementing solar-powered stores, KMD Brands aligns with consumer values and positions itself for a long-term success. This taps into a growing market, enhancing investors' trust and boosting potential profits.
KMD Brands' commitment to quality is vital for the performance and investment appeal. Their top-notch products like Kathmandu jackets, Rip Curl casual wear, foster brand loyalty, boosting their customer relationships. Especially seen in New Zealand, they have a really exceptional brand loyalty over there. Investing in KMD Brands offers access to promising revenue streams from a loyal customer base.
Premier Investments has value drivers, including an impressive portfolio of established retail brands and a wide product range. This provides access to increased income avenues and portfolio diversification. By leveraging its diverse brand portfolio and extensive product range, the company positions itself for long-term growth and profitability, making it an attractive investment option.
Secondly, Premier Investments benefits from strong leadership with deep knowledge in the retail industry. The team has proven a track record of driving growth, implementing effective initiatives, and maximizing shareholder value. So CEO Richard Murray's extensive industry experience, including a successful tenure at JB Hi-Fi, further strengthens the company's leadership. Investing in Premier Investments ensures competent management capable of enhancing its structural integrity and increasing stakeholder value.
Lastly, Premier Investments consistently achieves impressive financial results in the online sector. The company's revenue growth and profitability through online channels demonstrates its successful navigation of the evolving landscape. According to Premier Investments' 2022 annual report, online sales have consistently increased by 625% annually, even during the COVID-19 pandemic. This track record highlights the company's resilience and commitment to expanding its online presence, providing attractive returns for shareholders.
Investors should be cautious about potential red flags that may affect KMD Brands' appeal. While the company's focus on sustainability is positive, some investors might become concerned. Prioritizing sustainability over profitability could make it difficult to deliver satisfactory returns for its shareholders. This imbalance may create conflicts between the customer's commitment to sustainability and its duty to its shareholders.
Furthermore, KMD Brands heavily relies on Kathmandu, which accounts for 38.6% of total revenue. The company also depends on discretionary spending, particularly on travel-related goods like winter jackets. During financial hardships, consumers tend to reduce spending on non-essential items, which can negatively impact the company's financial performance.
Lastly, the concentration of beachwear and outdoor apparel poses risks for KMD brands. Sales can be influenced by seasonal conditions, such as winter for Rip Curl and summer for Kathmandu. Unpredictable seasonal patterns and shifting consumer preferences make income forecasting uncertain. This strong reliance on the specific niches make the business vulnerable to external factors that can cause fluctuations in sales within a single year.
When also considering Premier Investments, shareholders should be aware of the red flags. Firstly, the company's perceived lack of genuine commitment to sustainability raises concerns. Prioritizing their own sustainability over broader environmental issues risks damaging their reputation and attractiveness to investors who prioritize sustainable business practices, which is becoming increasingly important.
Secondly, a poor reputation for product quality is a significant warning sign in some of Premier Investments brands. A negative reputation for producing subpar goods can lead to declining retail revenue and customer confidence. This really can potentially affect shareholder value.
Finally, a negative reputation for customer service raises concerns about the core values of workplace culture of Premier Investments. Failure to provide satisfactory customer service suggests structural issues within the company, resulting in reduced customer loyalty and lower sales.
We determine the growth rates and likelihoods of each of the scenarios by analysing these red flags and value drivers.
For KMD brands, the acquisition of Rip Curl sharply increased their growth rate recently up to 18.5%. We project that this will see a decline in future years, but will still be a main driver of profits. Taking this into account, the growth rates we have assigned for KMD brands for each scenario is:
we have a best case scenario with a growth rate of 12%, a likelihood of 25%, a base case growth rate of 7% with a likelihood of 45%, and a worst case growth rate of 2% with a likelihood of 30%.
RBA encourages spending to stimulate the economy by manipulating macroeconomics. Premier Investments cash flow reflect this, indicating a high growth rate. However, consumer spending may decrease, leading to a future decrease in cash flows. Taking this into account, the growth rate we have assigned for each scenario for Premier Investments is:
a best case growth rate of 14% with a likelihood of 20%, base case growth rate 19% with a likelihood of 15%, and a worst case growth rate of 2% and a likelihood of 25%.
Premier Investments, as established previously, are a vehicle for financial growth, namely for the shareholders. This is because of their strong business decisions, which recently is thanks to the combined expertise of recently appointed CEO Richard Murray and Chair Solomon Liu. One strong development that will serve to aid the future in the market is the recent implementation of improved digital retailing for the major companies.
This provided not only a sharp increase in sales over COVID-19, but proved to stay relevant recently, with the net profit after tax increasing at an average of 22.1% per year over the last 5 years, with an additional estimated annual growth free cash flows being 23.45%, inflated from COVID. We expect the best case growth rate to thin out to 12% over the coming 5 to 10 years.
In the best case scenario for KMD brands, we assume that easing travel restrictions worldwide will result in revenue sales surpassing pre-COVID levels. Consumers are expected to travel and spend their accumulated savings from the peak COVID period. Furthermore, the company's commitment to sustainability aligns with the global transition towards renewable solutions, driving in revenue. Additionally, KMD brands emphasizes on product material quality ensures long-lasting durability, making their items highly desirable for traveling consumers.
To finalize the viability of your investment, we need to compute the expected growth rate and discount rate for the two companies, utilizing the golden mean, a concept that takes in two extremes and finds a balanced middle ground. Also considering a computed discount of uncertainty and a discount for impatience. In this computation, your uncertainty avoidance score was established as 60%. This number encapsulates your investment behavior and attraction to risk.
The expected growth is a measure of how fast a company's value can increase over time. To calculate the expected growth rate of each company, we conducted some thorough research into each company, focusing on prominent emerging trends and the internal and external business environments, whilst also extrapolating recent financial performance to forecast future growth. It's important to note that this isn't an exact science, as it's impossible to predict the future of a business 100% accurately. This is why each growth rate was paired with an estimated probability of fruition. These sections were added to an Excel spreadsheet, which then allowed for the calculation of the intrinsic value.
Moving forward, we'll compare the intrinsic value to the actual value of the company, which is a key factor for your stock choice. Based on our analysis, Premier Investments have an intrinsic value of 16.17 per share, lower than the current share price of 25.1. In contrast, Kathmandu is undervalued at a share price of 1.04 compared to the estimated economic worth of 4.77 per share. With KMD brands appealing severely undervalued at current prices, we predict a growth rate exceeding over 200% in the next 5 to 10 years. This indicates that investing in Kathmandu Holdings offers greater potential compared to Premier Investments. Additionally, KMD Brands is making significant progress towards becoming a year-round apparel brand, with exciting innovations in the pipeline.
Thank you so much for listening to our pitch. We recommend you to take advantage of this information and make this the wisest choice.
Thank you.